Unlocking the power of turmeric, the ultimate anti-inflammatory spice. Hello, lovely viewers. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of turmeric powder and its incredible anti-inflammatory benefits. Stay tuned, because this golden spice is about to change the way you think about wellness. Turmeric, the dazzling spice that gives curry its rich hue, has been cherished for centuries, not just for its flavor but also for its remarkable health benefits. Let's uncover the magic. First off, what makes turmeric such a superstar in the wellness arena? It's all thanks to curcumin, a potent compound found in turmeric that's packed with anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Curcumin helps combat inflammation at the molecular level, making it a fantastic natural remedy for various conditions, from arthritis to digestive issues. Imagine having this superhero spice in your kitchen, ready to fight off inflammation, boost your immunity, and support your overall well-being. That's the power of turmeric. Incorporating turmeric into your daily routine is easy. You can make a soothing turmeric tea by simply adding a teaspoon of turmeric to warm water. It's as simple as that. But wait, there's more. You'll find turmeric in various forms, from powders and capsules to turmeric-infused skincare products. It's a versatile ingredient that can benefit your body both inside and out. Now, let's talk about the best ways to enjoy turmeric. Do you have a favorite turmeric recipe? Share it in the comments below. Remember, the benefits of turmeric are best enjoyed as part of a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. If you found this information helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more wellness wisdom. For more on this, visit. Until next time, remember, healthy eating is a lifestyle choice.